Alright, this is the 4G63 rebuild for the second gen. It's a 1997 Eclipse. Don't mind the first gen in the background.
No, mind it, bro.
Yeah, that one's mine. Don't mind the Honda motor in front of it. That was a customer.
Yeah, that's just some shit right there.
That is getting some wicked shit done to it.
Obviously, that's what we're doing.
For this motor right here. Yeah, full millimeter over, CP pistons.
10.5 to 1 compression.
Look at the jewelry he's holding in his hand. Yeah.
Yes, these are going in. New crank, Eagle crank.
Yeah. Eagle connecting rods, CP pistons, brand new forged Eagle crank.
Fresh balance from the machine shop.
And pay no attention to the double stack of stuff. The nice valve cover is his, and here's his stuff over here with a whole bunch of brand new parts in his big 16G that's getting upgraded.
It's a piece of shit.
It's a piece of shit that's going on this at first, but
eBay piece of shit fucking 16.
eBay big 16G. It was still it still broke the boost gauge on this car when we had it in it. So I'm gonna try it on this car at first, and then I'm gonna get something bigger as well. But yeah, this is like car porn. Fist it, baby.
That's perfect. Need to lube it all up, and then we'll compress it in there.
I'm going to pause. We will be back in a second. Okay, so everybody needs to take a lesson from this.
And yes, I'm not using gloves.
No gloves. Fuck that. We washed our hands.
I'm just already know I can see the comments.
Yeah.
We're not using gloves, bro.
Yeah, we're not using any gloves. Well, I'm going to back up a little bit.
We don't fucking care.
We don't care about no stupid gloves. We're using some Lucas engine.
Not a Ferrari. There's no trees in here to keep the humidity level.
No, we're using some Lucas engine assembly lube. We're pre-lubing all of the holes. Thank you. And we already checked our piston ring gaps, and we're using a piece of crap piston ring compressor, but
it is a piece of shit.
It is a piece of shit. Other way. Flip. Yeah, bands that way. Yeah, bands on the rings, and then
my question is where is your little
the little tool is down where I grabbed the thing from. It's down there next to the welder.
So TJ holds camera now. Somewhere down there in this fuckery. All right. Can you stand up? I don't want to drop your like $1,000 phone.
And just to be clear, we are not torquing the spec right now.
Because these aren't the bolts we're using.
These are not the bolts we're using. We're just...
You drop your square.
So again, not torque to spec, just to tighten it to hold the crank in.
That's good enough. That's a different size.
Yeah, we're all good there. It'll hold it in.
Yeah, I want to be... I want to spin it. So. Oh.
Hey.
Oh, hold on.
Great little ratchet wrench.
Click.
Yeah.
Not the right size. Click. Oh, look at that. It just spins.
That's what it's supposed to do, right?
Yeah. No, it's supposed to be locked up.
It's supposed to stop somewhere, right? So that it ratchets. And that's what gives you your power and your torques. Just kidding.
All right. I would say we're ready to put it back together.
All right. We'll flip it over. We'll start popping pistons in. When the last one's about to go in, I'll start over. As I was saying before, piece of shit ring compressor, you have to make sure it is clocked correctly. Otherwise, you'll break a fucking ring. And no bullshit and no balls. We're putting 3 pistons in and ordering another set of rings to put number 4 in.
Because that's how life is.
Because that's how DSM life is.
No. If you just spent your money on good tools, this wouldn't happen, guys.
Yeah, don't buy your shit from Harbor Freight if you're installing rings in a DSM. That's not bashing on Harbor Freight. They have lots of good tools.
But some of them are shit.
But some of them you shouldn't use for precision assembly because that piston could have almost been garbage. But because we saw what the problem was, I was like, abort. And we didn't hurt the block and we didn't hurt the piston. We broke a ring with that stupid ring compressor. So we're going to get another one and we're going to put the other 3 in.
Well, no, we're not going nowhere. I gotta order this shit. So make sure you get a good spring compressor. You're gonna be out fucking in 2 weeks because your fucking dumbass used a piece of shit Harbor Freight one and broke your fucking piston ring.
Yeah, beautiful 4G refurb block. Same matching numbers for the 2G it's going into, and
It's a piece of shit.
that thing is a piece of crap. Make sure that it's not clocked
I know.
the same
I
way
know.
again.
I think I just learned my lesson.
All right, yeah, we'll let you go. We're gonna get some more progress, and we'll do series 2, I'm sure. Yeah, the head assembly and repair and timing and all that crap. Yeah. We hope to get a whole lot further in this part of the series, but things happen. So, just so you know, things do happen.